Do you ever wonder about stuff? I do. About unicorn breeders. And the homage to rabbits. And stuff. Yeah. The wish book. Here's wish book. I wonder how much it costs to print one. Or what's an IQ of a girlicious girl? Or I actually don't know. Just bored making videos. There's a boat. 2 boats. 3 boats. Yeah. Amazing, huh? I know. My belt has rabbits. Wanna see? Rabbits! Right there. Pretty cool, huh? Delicious puzzles. Really annoying, aren't they? Really annoying. I see chickens. I mean roosters. I can zoom in. My fingers aren't painted right now. Hair isn't good. My eyelashes are weird.